If you love tackling massive jigsaw puzzle challenges but hate the back strain and the messy tables that come with them, this comprehensive metal rolling table, the Al4Jig 1500 piece puzzle table with legs, might just be the solution you're looking for. This heavy-duty wooden board is specifically engineered to accommodate large puzzles up to 1,500 pieces, with its generous dimensions giving you plenty of workspace without taking over your dining room, and you can move it from room to room. One of the standout features is it's versatile as a laptop or a drafting table as well. It has this felt coating on it that holds the puzzle pieces and even pictures of your puzzle in place. With an adjustable height design and 3 distinct tilting angles, you can effortlessly customize your setup for your perfect ergonomic position. This means you can easily say goodbye to neck and back strain. You can sit on your couch, you can sit on your table, and you can move it around, even relaxing in bed or working from your favorite chair. This was provided for me, for my honest opinion, and I love it. It has these 4 distinct sorting drawers that keep your colors, your corner pieces, and you can even remove them and work on a particular section. I love the fact that you can sort them easily and then put them right back until you can work on them again. It also works well with other projects that you need to stop and protect for a season and come back to working on it. And the fact that it's on wheels just makes it oh so much better. You can see they're adjustable, so you can make it different heights for different people, and the wooden frames makes it very sturdy, and the metal legs are very durable. And it even comes with a protective shield here to seal your project so you can work on it again. It's perfect for puzzles. It's also great for drafting. Now, I hope you like this video. Please like it and follow us for great solutions to home decor and crafting and puzzles like these. I highly recommend this great puzzle table. It's really a nice feature for any home, and the versatility is just a pleasant bonus.